Thank you for coming here. You made my heart so happy. That's why I love you so much.
I don't know what I'm doing here. This doesn't feel right, you know?
Why is that? Didn't you like what we did together?
I did like it. But sometimes I regret it after. My father worked so hard for our family. And here I am enjoying myself. Hello. What? How?
What happened?
Dad! Dad! What happened? Dad, please open your eyes. Wake up!
Hazel. He is no more. Your father is gone. He didn't make it.
No! This can't be true. Dad, you can't leave us like this. Please, Dad, wake up!
The truck hit him hard. He died on the spot. Now Yulia. She got hurt badly too.
Yulia? What? Where is she? Is she okay? Tell me.
They took her to the hospital.
Hello. Okay, I understand. Thank you. I will tell her family. They are here.
What happened?
The girl also died. The doctor could not save her.
Well, this can't be true. Tell me my daughter is okay. She cannot die like this.
I'm sorry, madam. Please control yourself. She is no more.
Mother! What happened to you? Please, somebody help her! Don't leave me too!
We have to call an ambulance again. Stay calm, miss.
Mother, are you okay? Please don't scare me like this. What happened?
My child. My Yulia is no more. How can I live without her? And your father too. They both left us. Our family is destroyed. Who will we live for now?
But I'm here. I won't leave you. We will get through this pain together.
Come on, catch me if you can. Sister, I overheard Mom and Dad talking about your marriage. Are you really going to leave me?
No, dear, I will not leave you now. I talked to Mom about it already.
That's good. I want you to stay with me forever. Don't ever leave me alone.
But I cannot stay with you forever, my dear. One day, I must go to my husband's house. We are girls, you know. Our mother's house is not our real home. Our real home is our in-laws' house. We have to live our whole life there.
But that sounds sad. Promise you will visit me every day?
I promise. And you can come see me too. We will always be close, no matter what.
Pinky promise? I love you most in the world, sister.
Pinky promise forever. I love you too. Now sleep, dream of our happy days ahead. Yulia said to me one night, "Sister, don't leave me ever. I want to be with you forever." But she left me alone now.
She was so attached to you. Remember that day she wanted to eat pineapple cake? She cried so much, because I couldn't make it right away. We had no ingredients. Felt so bad. I borrowed flour from neighbors and made it late at night. She was so happy after eating it.
I miss her every breath.
I just heard about what happened to your family. I'm deeply sorry for your loss.
Thank you, Isla. It's been really hard for us. Everything feels so empty now.
May God give their souls rest in peace. I can't imagine how much pain you're going through, but please know that I'm praying for them.
It still feels like some terrible dream.
Please don't be too sad. You are not alone in this world. I'm here for you anytime you need me. You just have to call. Come to my house today. I will cook something for us, and we will talk. You will feel a little better, I promise.
No, Isla, but thank you so much for thinking about me. I'm actually going to visit a friend today. I really need to meet him and talk for a while.
Oh, I see. That's fine. But promise me one thing. If you ever feel lost or lonely, you will call me right away. I will come to you no matter what.
Why is he not answering my calls? I am going through a lot, and he does not care. What kind of boyfriend is he? He should be with me in my hard time.
What are you doing here? Why did you come right now?
Why did I come? I'm your girlfriend. Why didn't you answer my calls? I have been through so much, and you don't care.
Look, I'm sorry about what happened to you. I feel bad for your family. But
what? Am I just your fun toy? You play with me and throw me away whenever you want?
what are you talking about? Calm down.
Who was that? I heard a girl cough inside. Who's she? What's going on here?
Well, she's just a friend. Nothing more.
A friend? You bastard. You're sleeping with another girl. How dare you betray me like this?
Honey, come inside. I'm ready now.